core of our existence lies a fundamental principle that encompasses the very fabric of the universe. All is mind. This profound concept asserts that the universe itself, in its entirety, is composed of the infinite and universal mind. It suggests that at the most foundational level, all phenomena, from the grandeur of celestial bodies to the subtlest nuances of life, matter, and energy, are but manifestations of the thoughts originating from this living, boundless mind. The principle of mentalism unveils a reality that transcends the conventional understanding of the material world. It invites us to contemplate the profound notion that the universe is not simply a collection of random events or physical processes, but rather a grand symphony of thoughts and ideas emanating from an omnipresent divine mind. In this perspective, every aspect of existence, both seen and unseen, finds its origin within the infinite realms of consciousness. The material world, with all its wonders and complexities, is a tangible expression of the creative thoughts and intentions of this universal mind. From the formation of galaxies and the intricacies of life's evolutionary processes to the subtle interplay of energies and the vast array of human experiences, all are interwoven threads of a grand cosmic tapestry woven by the mind of the universe. The principle of mentalism goes beyond the notion of the universe as a mere mechanical construct. It reveals a dynamic and living mind that pulsates with intelligence, wisdom, and creative potential. This mind is not confined to a separate entity or being, but is rather an all-encompassing, omnipresent essence, intimately interwoven with the very essence of our being. As we acknowledge the existence of this universal mind, we come to understand that we, too, are an inseparable part of its divine essence. We possess within us a spark of this infinite intelligence, capable of tapping into its vast reservoirs of wisdom, creativity, and transformative power. We are not isolated beings navigating a disjointed world, but rather conscious participants in an interconnected and vibrant tapestry of thoughts and ideas. Recognizing the all-encompassing nature of the universal mind awakens within us a profound realization. We have the inherent ability to shape and mold our reality through the power of our thoughts and intentions. Just as the mind of the universe manifests its creative ideas into the physical realm, we, as expressions of this mind, hold the key to unlocking our own creative potential. Our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions become the building blocks through which we shape our experience. By aligning our inner world with the divine mind, we tap into the boundless wellspring of creative energy, empowering us to manifest our desires and purposefully navigate our journey through life. With every thought, we participate in the co-creation of our reality, sculpting the very fabric of our existence. Indeed, the divine mind is impersonal, much like the radiant sun that shines upon all without discrimination. It is a force that permeates every aspect of existence, offering its creative energy to all who are open to receive it. The analogy of standing in the shade emphasizes the importance of our own choices and perceptions in harnessing the power of the divine mind. When we find ourselves in the metaphorical shade, feeling disconnected or unaffected by the divine mind's creative power, we must acknowledge that it is not the divine mind that has moved away from us, but rather our own positioning or perspective that has created a perceived separation. Just as stepping out of the shade brings us into the sun's direct light, consciously aligning ourselves with the divine mind allows us to experience its transformative presence in our lives. Our alignment with the divine mind requires us to take responsibility for our thoughts, beliefs, and action. It invites us to examine any self-imposed limitations, fears, or doubts that may be casting shadows upon our path. The divine mind's creative power is always available, but it is our own state of receptivity that determines how brightly its light shines within us. By shifting our awareness and embracing a mindset of trust and surrender, we step into the radiant illumination of the divine mind. We recognize that we are not separate from this infinite intelligence, but rather an integral part of it. Just as the sun's rays touch every corner of the earth, the creative energy of the divine mind flows through every fiber of our being. In this expanded awareness, we come to understand that our intentions, when aligned with the divine mind, are imbued with tremendous creative potential. Like seeds planted in fertile soil, our intentions take root and grow, guided by the wisdom of the divine mind. We surrender the need to control or force outcomes, trusting that the universe will respond to our authentic desires in the most aligned and harmonious way. As conscious co-creators of our lives, we tap into the boundless abundance and limitless possibilities that flow from the divine mind. Our thoughts and actions become vessels through which the creative energy of the universe is channeled. We become instruments through which the divine mind expresses its highest potential.